morning to all. My name is Agalya and I go to talk about banana tree. The banana tree carry very common vegetation in India. It grows in almost every part of the India. It is the largest segment. Banana leaf are very huge in size. Banana tree has no branches. Banana tree can grow in any weather condition. The fruit, leaf, stem, every part of a banana tree is economically valuable. The flower of the banana plant is a large spike. The flower of the banana plant from a large spike. The banana flower of a used for puja. Also, banana flour is a good food that is bringing with nutrition. Thank you to all.